Okay, today we're gonna cook kidney. This is kidney. So all you gotta do with kidney, this is kidney. You just gotta cut the fat off and just clean it up. Just make sure all the fat is off. Now the kidney, the best way to prepare, just cut around the fat. There's a big strand of fat that's usually in kidney, so you just cut more little pieces from around the fat. So now once you dice the kidney in small little pieces, this is 1 pound of kidney. Just put it in a dish. Now today, this is 1 pound of diced, cut up pieces of kidney. This is 1 pound of kidney. The ingredients are work it. You just cover it until you're ready. Put to eat a stewing pot. Add the oil, put the stove on 6 and let it get hot for about 2 minutes. So now, this is the kidney, so you're going to add the kidney. And then you stir it for about 30 seconds or so. 1 cup of water. Put the water in the same dish. And just add the water. Warm water, preferably. 1 cup. You just cover and put the stove on 4. Now after 15 minutes, add the salt. And stir your pot. Stir it and just cover it back. So now it's been 35 minutes for the kidney total. So we turn it off and this is what it looks like. Brown stewed kidney. Brown stewed kidney. Add the ketchup. Then turn it off. Kidneys. Kidney. Whoa, kidney. So that's kidney. Put some of the kidney so you can see it. These are exotic, Caribbean exotic foods. So that's kidneys. Kidney. Brown stew kidneys. Kidneys and fried dumpling. Kidneys and fried dumpling. Kidneys and boiled green bananas.